Hello guys, back again with me, FKP37, and this is Lamborghini Sian FKP37 from Bburago. Alright guys, so in these special occasions I want to share my experience of unbox it and see the features of the Lamborghini Sian from Bburago. This is 1/8 scale, so this is how it looks in the box. There's some little bit incident on the shipment, but it's not affecting the content of the box. And this is the side view of the box. You can see in here, this is the back of the box. It has the special license from Automobili Lamborghini. And this is made in China. And the other side of the box looks like this. And the bottom of the box looks like this. Not much fancy things. Alright, let's go ahead and see the content. So here it is guys, Lamborghini Sian FKP37. Alright, from its appearance, from this sealed plastic, we can directly know that this model is open all features. So it has open all for the engine bay section in here. So also can be open for the trunk in here. You can see. In a minute I will show you when it's already removed the plastic. And it also features the doors can open. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. Alright, I already put it on the turntables. You can see in here. Alright, pretty nice, isn't it? The textures of the headlamp using the carbon fiber plastic. And I see there's a open hood. The details of the rim is nice. The proportion, shape, everything just nice. There's a lot of carbon texture in this car. Even the small parts like this gap, it has the carbon texture. You can see that. The engine bay, it's quite a bit nice. Not too detailed maybe, but it's really nice. Because it has some separated paint color, different paint color, so it's interesting to see. It has the Italian flag in here, while the other side It has Sian FKP37. I'm not sure you can guys see it from the video, but yep, it's stated in here is Sian FKP37. And also welcome to Sian plates on the interior. Okay, and of course it can be rolling easily, which is it means that it can be still playable. And the steering also can be turned along with the wheels, so it's really nice. It's really nice. Alright, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and short review from me for this Lamborghini Sian. If there's something you need to know about this model, or you want to ask something, just let me know in the comment, or you can contact with me at my Instagram, the link on the description. And you can also check out my photo gallery about my collection in the Instagram account. Thank you so much. See you again on another video. Enjoy your day, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.